What is really holding you back? Your strength or your belief? Once upon a time, a man was walking through a village and saw elephants. These huge animals were tied only with a small rope round one leg. There were no chains, no cages. The elephants could have easily broken free, but they did not. Curious, he asked the trainer, "Why do not these elephants try to escape?" The trainer replied, "When they are very young, we tie them to the same rope. At that age, it is enough to hold them. As they grow, they believe they cannot break free. They stop trying." Moral of the story: many of us are like those elephants. We are held back by past failures, doubts, or fears. But the truth is, you are much stronger than you think. Don't let old beliefs limit your new potential. The elephant and the rope. Don't let old beliefs chain your potential. You are stronger than you think. Subscribe for more motivation quotes and stories.